the reason I think American may have to file is if they're looking in April and May at a weak summer, and they're looking at their cash burn and they can't realistically see how they're going to become cash positive again, they may think, I need to protect the strong liquidity I have now, and then use the tools that bankruptcy gives an airline to maybe be more aggressive in the fleet or maybe more aggressive with labor. And that doesn't mean become Frank Lorenzo. I'm not talking about
Right,
that.
right, yeah.
But it certainly changes the dynamic in a discussion is, hey, one way this company can survive is if we can outsource some of this work, and then maybe there's a way they can bring that in then. We're talking extreme situations, obviously, to make that happen. But if it gets that, if the demand stays that weak for so long, and if the quarantines stay on and things like that, I think those are the kind of airlines that might have to make those kind of changes. Again, the airlines that aren't American, United, Delta, Southwest are in just a better position because they don't have the wide bodies. They're not burdened by that. They none of them depend on corporate business travel for their businesses today. They have lower costs in the first place, so they get back to cash break even sooner. So it's not easy for any airline, but that's the group that's going to emerge the quickest.